Imagine this. You wake up one morning and find a note on your table. It says, "You've been given everything you ever wanted for free." Sounds like a dream, right? But wait, what if I told you that dream can turn into a nightmare faster than your Wi-Fi disconnects during a Zoom call? Hi friends, welcome back to Learnify English, where we don't just learn English, we learn life through stories that make you think, laugh, and grow. Today's story is called Nothing is Free. And trust me, this story will make you look at life, success, and even free stuff in a completely different way. So grab your headphones, sit back, and listen carefully. Because by the end of this story, your English and your mindset will both level up. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a boy named Ethan. Ethan was smart, but lazy. The kind of guy who wanted six-pack abs, but also wanted to eat 6 donuts for breakfast. He had one favorite line: "Why work hard when I can find an easy way?" He loved shortcuts. Free courses, free giveaways, free money apps. If it said free, Ethan was the first one to click. One day, while walking home from school, Ethan saw a big shiny banner. Win a brand new laptop, no effort needed. His eyes sparkled like a kid seeing pizza. After a month of salad, he rushed inside the store and met an old man sitting at the counter. The man said, "Son, do you want this laptop?" Ethan shouted, "Yes, of course." The old man smiled and said, "Then you just have to play one simple game." Ethan thought, easy win. My lucky day. But he didn't realize this was no ordinary game. Want to know what happened next? Let's see if Ethan's free prize really came without a price. The old man placed 3 boxes on the table. One red, one blue, one black. He said, "Only one has the laptop. Choose carefully." Ethan quickly pointed to the shiny red one. The man smiled again. "You can open it, but only if you give me something first." Ethan frowned. "But you said it's free." The man replied calmly, "Nothing in life is truly free. You must give something: time, effort, or honesty." Ethan laughed. "Okay, old man, I'll just give you $1. Take it." The man shook his head. "Money won't work here. Give me something real." Now Ethan got confused and a bit scared. He thought, what does this guy even mean? The man leaned forward and said, "Every free thing in life has a cost. Even your laziness has a price, your dreams." Ethan froze. The man continued, "You want free English fluency? You'll pay with time. You want free success? You'll pay with consistency. You want free happiness? You'll pay with honesty." The room went silent. Even the air felt heavy, like it carried a secret Ethan had ignored his whole life. Then the man opened the red box himself. Inside, there was no laptop, only a mirror. He said, "Look inside. You already have the biggest gift, yourself. But you're wasting it, waiting for life to hand you things for free." At that moment, Ethan realized he had been losing years searching for shortcuts. And maybe you have done the same too, right? Be honest. How many times have you said, "I'll start tomorrow"? Guess what? Tomorrow never comes. But don't worry, Ethan's story doesn't end here. In fact, this is where it really begins. Ethan walked out of that store with no laptop, no prize, but a completely new mind. The next morning, for the first time, he woke up early, without hitting snooze 10 times. He spent an hour listening to English stories, then repeated new words out loud, even though his accent wasn't perfect. He didn't wait for free fluency anymore. He worked for it. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and Ethan's English got better, his grades improved, and he even started helping others learn. He became what he never imagined: a confident, motivated, fluent speaker. And all because he learned one truth: Nothing in life is free, but everything is possible if you're willing to pay the price. Now I'll ask you this. What are you paying for your dreams? Your time? Your energy? Or are you paying with regret every single day you waste? My friend, remember this. Free things fade fast, but the skills you earn stay with you forever. So stop waiting for someday. Start learning. Start listening. Start improving today. And hey, if this story lit a spark inside you, don't keep it to yourself, share it. Subscribe to Learnify English. Share this video with your friends who keep saying, tomorrow. And speech balloon comment below one thing you'll start doing today. Because the truth is simple. You can't get anything for free, but you can get everything if you work for it. And this is Learnify English, where stories teach you more than books ever could.